So this is the new bird room, but it's definitely not completed yet. We've only been here a week so far. It's Isaiah and my son. What? Oh, your hat fell off? Okay, hold on. There, Isaiah has his bowling up top. And he just got a bath, so he's got a lot of energy right now. And then there's Raja hanging out over here. And Duke. Duke, can you say hi? Hi. Oh, yeah. And Dash and Dyson. It's actually a sunny day for once. It's been raining all week, so they're out enjoying the sun. What do you have? Did you find a pistachio? Hi. Hi, sweet sweets. And they're drying off. They just took a bath, too. Oh, really? Hey, you already had yours. Go back. Come here, I think there's more. I found another one. Here, look. You see it? There you go. And their play stands up top. None of my birds really like the wooden manzanita stands. They all like to be up high. So just hanging things seems easier. Isaiah! Isaiah! Can you dance? Can you dance? Yeah. Can you dance? What are you doing? What are you doing? You take a bath? Yeah. Oh, you're all wet.